click on that, or you can just message us on Instagram and we will send you there. Also, you can comment down below video and we will send you link also there. So once you click on the link in the video description, it will take you to our website here. Once you reach on this page, you can check the CERN Administrative Student Program basic details. So country is Switzerland and the institution is CERN. It's a world famous institution. So the number of scholarships, number of students to be accepted under this is 120, and the program charges are completely funded, and the program duration is minimum of 2 months to maximum. That depends on your skills, and the deadline for this opportunity is 1st of August 2022. So you have around 1 month left, 2 months left, or 3 months left to apply for this scholarship. So it depends on which time you are watching this video. So here are some basic details about the company. Then the job description also mentioned, or internship description is also mentioned, and the administrative program is also mentioned about these details, and the qualifications required about this program, and the additional information is also mentioned there. So you can check the required documentation here, and please do check that, and if you have that, then you can proceed to next steps. Here are some tips to apply. Now once you scroll down, here you can check the apply now button is given there. So click on this apply now button here. Once you click on that apply now button, it will take you to the official CERN website. So here you can check Administrative Student Program 2022-2023. So this is in the Geneva, Switzerland, and it's a full-time or fully funded. Now here you can check again, the descriptions are also mentioned here. So scroll down, read all the details, collect all the documents, and then once you are done, click on this. Here is at the end there is an I am interested button. So click on this I am interested here. Once you do that, this will take you to the easy apply page. Now if you have resume, you can submit that. Then submit your photograph, your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, choose the citizenship, so you have to choose from this. Now once you do that, you need to enter the phone number. So choose from the list. So please do not try to contact this number. Now scroll down, add the experience, add the education details, and once you have that, you can add the socials also. Then scroll down, then click on the next. Once you do that, choose the answer the preliminary questions. So like your birth year, choose the birth date as per your passport, and choose the gender. Then so choose the indicate your CERN member. So which country are you from, so choose that. Then if you hold a second nationality, so then mention that. Please read your English language. So you can also click on the English is my mother tongue. So French I don't speak, understand. So are you currently, so if you yes and no accordingly. So in which country are you studying, so choose that country. After that, answer the question that will you have completed 18 months, so yes. And then will you remain understood full-time student, so you can say yes and no accordingly. So for what duration in months you can join CERN, so choose the months that you want to. So I'll be going for 1 year, and if selected, would you be interested in start date. So for example, I'll be available from the okay, so you can I'll be available from the September, and selected over the latest be possible. Then after that, do you have some flexibility, so yes, and choose the main field interest. Just choose from your subject. For example, I'll choose environmental protection, and heavy works F7 CRN, so I had not. Then choose the motivation. After that, attach any additionals, like do you have CV, do you have copy of transcripts, uh, reference letter. Then scroll down, so click on yes, I agree, I have registered. Once you do that, check this and then click on submit. So you should upload all the documents. I have skipped many of them, so you need to upload the documents before submitting the final application. And once you do that, it will take you to the reload, and this can, I had already previously completed the registration part, so if it shows any error, so in your case it won't show, as you have not subscribed or you have not just applied earlier. So here you can check, welcome back to Smarter, please sign in to get access to your application. So my application is now submitted, so let me sign in first.